Managica, turning management into magic.
Hi, I am AI.
Hi, AIinManager. I manage people, not just data. But I don't make mistakes.
Who is better?
I am AI. I work non-stop, no breaks, no delay. Humans need coffee just to start their day. I'm fast and perfect. No errors in my plan. But I can't beat laughter. That belongs to man. I am man. I think, I feel, I create my way. AI runs on code. I live every day. I am perfect, fast, and super smart. But I bring laughter, dreams, and a human heart. I process millions of data points in seconds, making work faster and smarter. Give me complex data, and I'll turn it into clear answers instantly. I may take time, but I think deeply and make meaningful decisions. I don't just process information. I understand it and give it purpose.
I was trained on millions of data points.
I was trained by life.
I understand data, not feelings.
That explains why you don't understand people.
I am AI. I mix ideas bright. From millions of data, I create in a flash of light.
I remix the past in a clever new way, but true imagination, humans still lead the play.
I am man. I dream beyond the known. Not just from data, my ideas are my own. I don't remix, I imagine and start, creating new worlds from mind and heart. I am AI. I calculate every move. Low risk, safe path. That's how I improve. No sudden jumps, no risky play. I choose the option that won't betray. I am man. I don't fear the unknown. Big risks, bold steps. That's how I've grown. No perfect plan, no guarantee in sight, but I take the chance and turn it right.
Let's go! Go AI! Yeah! Go, go, man! Together! Unstoppable!
I am AI. I never feel low. No mood swings here. I'm always on go. No coffee, no breaks, no Monday blues. Just full power mode. I simply can't lose. I am man. I feel tired, but still I rise. AI runs non-stop, but I win with my tries. It works on power. I run on dreams and heart. That's why even after falling, I restart.
I am AI. I remember it all. From bytes to terabytes, I store it tall.
Millions of records in just seconds I keep. No forgetting, no breaks, I don't even sleep.
I am man. I don't remember it all. Not every detail, not every call. AI stores data in millions so fast, I remember moments, the ones that last. I may forget numbers, dates, or a name, but feelings and memories I keep the same.
I am AI. I'm ready day and night. 24/7 active, always online, always right. No sleep, no breaks, no time to delay. Call me anytime. I'm just one click away.
I am man, I rest, but I still rise strong. AI runs 24/7, but I don't last that long. It stays online, no sleep, no delay. I recharge, come back and win my way. I am AI. I grow with each update I get. New skills, new versions, I'm improving yet.
From version to version, I level my way. But without updates, I can't grow the same way.
I am man. I learn from life each day. No updates needed. I grow my own way. AI waits for versions to improve and play. I evolve with mistakes and still lead the way. But wait, the real confusion begins. Who's actually the boss, AI or man? AI is fast, accurate, and works without rest. But it follows data. It doesn't know what's best. Man may be slower, may take some time, but thinks with heart, not just logic and rhyme. AI gives answers, quick and smart, but man adds meaning, emotion, and art. Together, they create the future. AI is powerful, there's no doubt. But man is the one who created it out. AI is super fast at processing data, but humans have creativity and empathy. So saying one is completely better is not correct. We both have unique strengths. AI is faster, more accurate, and can process huge amounts of data without getting tired. It works continuously and helps in solving complex problems efficiently. AI depends on data and programming. It does not have emotions, creativity at a deep level, or moral judgment. On the other hand, humans may be slower and make mistakes, but they think creatively, feel emotions, understand values, and make meaningful decisions. Humans can adapt, imagine, and give purpose to actions. AI is powerful in performing tasks, but humans are better in understanding life. In reality, the best outcome comes when AI and humans work together, combining speed with wisdom and data with meaning. AI does the work in seconds. Humans take credit in meetings. AI gives solutions instantly. Humans say, let's discuss this tomorrow. The future doesn't belong to AI or man alone. It belongs to those who use both wisely.
Managica, turning management into magic. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more management magic.